Nate Goyard.
Welcome to Trade Wars Season 2. We have episode 3. So now we have Dynamics and Juicy. Juicy will be up first, and we'll kind of let you guys funnel in here for just a second. Essentially, the whole entire concept here is that we are on Degen mode. You can see here in the bottom, it's now we give you $100 funded wallet, 15 minutes to trade. If you make money, you make money. If you lose money, we lose money. Simple as that. Now, Juicy's going to be up first. Juicy has a awesome community that he is building. You can see all of his socials here in the banner. Juicy is known for his threads. He's definitely a thread guy. If you haven't checked him out yet, they are amazing. He's all across the DeFi space. He also does a live every single week, I believe. We'll let him speak to that, but he does TA and live trades on there. You can follow him at X at juicy_world. Let's bring him up. What's up, brother?
Yo, what's up to everyone? Thank you for the introduction. It was really nice. I just shared the stream to my community so more people can join. And yeah, man, I'm super excited about this one.
Well, I've got your wallet and everything set up, ready to go for us to watch you from our side. So as far as this goes, I know the markets are pretty volatile lately. That is to say the absolute least. But we're going to be on Degen mode, which means you can trade between BTC, ETH, SOL at 125x to 500x. So you click on Degen mode, you can turn on the new turbo mode if you want those execution of the trade landing super buttery, smooth, and fast. Those will all be on today to showcase how quickly you can land these trades. Let's get it up and going. And don't worry, no pressure there, Juicy. I know your whole entire community's watching. No pressure whatsoever, I promise. But
Yeah,
you can start trading whenever you're ready. Just let me know if you are in your funded wallet and everything is good to go.
Yeah. So I just opened a flash trade on my laptop, and I just open the trades, right?
Yep, you're just going to make sure you're on the funded wallet. Can you see the 100 USD DC?
Yes, I see
Down?
it. Yes, I see
Okay.
it. Okay, so I will use this 100 USDC, and I guess we'll be long in Solana right now.
Okay. Yeah, it's all up to you, brother. You like I said, no pressure whatsoever. You start whenever you need to. Just remember, you've got 15 minutes. At the end of 15 minutes, we close all trades and we go over your P&L.
Okay. So I will long Solana, $100. I'll use the leverage. Let me see. Let's go with 125x. I think it's a good one. And yeah, I think we're ready to go.
All right, let's do it.
So buy
Let's
long.
execute the
I'm opening
first
trade.
trade. Remember too, we could do a multi-trade strategy. We could do, short BTC, long SOL. I wouldn't do that, but just saying we can open in multiple markets. So don't
Okay,
think we
I
can't go
think
across.
I think it's opened.
Awesome.
I think it's opened. Yeah, I think it's opened.
Let's go.
So okay, we have a long on Solana, and maybe we can tell people about the position. So we have 125x leverage, right? And then we use $100, as you can see, collateral, and size of our position is $11,000. Entry price 218, and
We got turbo mode on. Let's go.
yeah, and liquidation price 217. Yeah,
They can
so
see it.
that.
Just FYI, they could see it on the screen. We're actually watching your live trades from our viewing dashboard. We have a
Mhm.
dashboard that we created where we can actually watch your the funded wallets trade. So it's pretty cool.
Yeah, so I also love to add that personally, I'm not using such a leverage, but I
Yeah,
know a lot of people using it, like in the short-term trades. For example, to trade the big news. Some people using it to trade Fed meetings. If they see volatility, if they see the pump, they
yeah,
just want to catch it, And yes, it's really useful sometimes.
yeah, absolutely. Yeah, the best thing there is you can definitely go in with I think at the minimum's $10, so you can go in with a minimum of
Hmm.
$10, and if you want to get excuse me, if you want to get Degen, you definitely can with Degen mode. Just turn on turbo mode also, and you can execute those trades super fast. My recommendation, though, for everybody is always keep it on like the 1 minute to like 5 minute, because otherwise those charts can move pretty quick. I can see here the trade is going against you. What are you thinking?
Yeah, yeah, we just broke the support, so I guess right now would be good to short.
Uh-oh, we broke support. We're breaking down. We're in a long now. We have about 33% down, and our
Yeah,
liquidation price is 217.63. So if we go down below, but it does look like we're recovering. Come on, cover. Give
yeah,
me a
yeah. Need
little.
to
Give me
need
a
to
little
pump the
bit.
chart.
I know. Somebody pump it. We need to call winter mute. Winter mute. Come on. We'll put on some music and then we'll. All right, we've got GM guys. Good morning. Hi, Panda. Good to see you in the chat. Doge bot. Let's go. Some Doge. All right. We are really breaking down now. It looks like we're falling fast. Oh, what are we doing on this trade? Are we closing it out?
Yeah,
Are you
yeah.
flipping it?
I don't know. I don't know. I think it's maybe too late to flipping it.
Sure.
But yeah, I have a feeling that it can close. It can get liquidated pretty easily. Yeah.
Yeah, on Degen mode, you definitely got to watch it. You can close the trade if you want to. You could do a partial close, full close, whatever you want. This is not it's not a one and
Yeah,
done
let's go.
situation.
Let's go with a full close to make it more interesting to people, so we can check and open something maybe different.
Let's see. What do we got? BTC's
Okay, I
breaking down
close it.
hard.
Yeah. Oh, really?
Yeah,
Oh, that's why Solana is going down.
we're breaking down hard on BTC. So, yeah, we're probably hitting some liquidation levels. That would be my guess. If I go on X or if I check the charts here, one that I really like is to follow the I think it's the liquidation levels on TradingView. I like to follow that a lot. And those liquidation levels are pretty good as far as determining where market makers are going to go. Ooh, we entered 125 long. Let's see if we can recover. Oh, that's on
Yeah,
sold.
I actually wanted to short, but I forgot to switch from long
No,
to short.
we're backing along. Hey, this might actually go in your favor.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Let's see what BTC's doing real quick.
Ooh,
I always
let's
follow
go,
the
let's go,
king.
let's go.
Let's go. We're up 5%. We got to get back that, 40% loss there. We'll check the P&L real quick. We're down 66.57. All right, so we need to gain ground here pretty quick. Let's see if we have a nice reversal like we've had. Look at this chop on this 1 minute. It's wild.
Yeah, yeah.
Wonder what the 1 second would look like. It'd be cool. Have the 1 second up on TradingView. The 1 second on this would be sick. We're working on it. We're working on it. All right. Oh, take a short scalp. Let's see. Or I mean a long scalp, sorry, not short scalp. What do we got? What do we got? All right. So we're only down 70. Now we're down 85 cents. It's turning on us again. What's BTC doing? It's just dumping, huh?
Yeah, you just
Oh,
dumping
yeah.
hard.
BTC's dumping hard.
Yeah,
Uh-oh.
BTC just went down completely.
Oh, no. Oh, and it's about to break. Oof. Let's see if we bounce off this line here. If we don't and we drop down farther, then Sol's in trouble. Sol's holding up really good, though. If we bounce off that line, the 217.19 here, it looks like we've got some support right there. If you can see across the board, you see it here, and then it looks like we came up over here, bounced, came down, broke through support a little, came down, and then broke above. So this could be support. Oh, we're back in the green, baby.
Yeah, BTC is pumping back.
Let's go. They were going for some liquidation. See, they always try to mess with your head. This is why, market makers, dude, going after liquidity bans. All right, let's see. So we broke down here, dude, up top here. We definitely we could break back above if we're going into a more upward trend. Let's see.
Would be good if I would open a short, then we close it, and then open a long. Like
that would have been the play. Is like a massive 300% short and then flip to a long. Oh, we're letting it ride. We got 7 minutes on the clock. We're up $1 right now, but we're down overall P&L by $66. Did you see recently in South Korea, they had the 4 charts up and they were doing the trading, like live trading comp? That was super cool.
Yeah,
that was awesome.
I like it.
Yeah, we should definitely do something like that at Flash Trade. Maybe we should do like a 4-person trading competition. That'd be sick.
Yeah.
all Degen mode. I tell you. Oh, we're breaking down again. What's BTC doing? The beast.
Maybe we should close it and open with X.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, go full Degen. The let's see. ETH looks like it's actually rebounding, which is really good. Let me refresh this. TradingView. Let's see. There we go. Okay. It's all starting to hit that resistance zone. So do we? Oh no, BTC broke it.
Yeah, BTC is going down. Yeah.
Okay. Oof. Yeah, but Sol and ETH. Sorry, I'm bouncing around here like crazy. Sol and ETH seem to be actually holding up pretty good. I'm wondering. Okay, BTC, let's go, baby. Let's go. Do a full reversal for us. Come on. Let's go take out. Let's go take out some of those shorts that just entered. Let's see.
It seems Solana is back. We are pumping a bit.
All right, come on, BTC. Don't hold us down. Lose dominance. That's what we need. We need you to lose dominance. We need Sol to gain dominance. Let's go.
Yeah, basically we are consolidating. Oh,
there we go.
Let's
see the candle.
Let's go. I told you we should have closed it and opened with X. Like
500x. Right now with 500x. Whew. Yeah, you'd be up like $20.
Yeah. But it's already Starbucks.
Yes, a little extra Starbucks for you. All right, what do we got? Come on, Sol. Let's go. Quit consolidating. Let's pump out of this zone. Let's do one of these. Why can't we have one of these right here? We just need this. That's it. Just that right there. Go. We got 4 minutes left. 4 minutes left. Let's go. Let's go.
Nice.
Come.
We're pumping nice. Ooh.
All right.
Oh, consolidation, just consolidation.
Yeah, it's the chop zone. What are we doing here? What are we doing, BTC? Come on. We just had okay, so my guess is we just had a little bounce. They took out some liquidity to the upside. That's what pumped us. Is somebody entered one of them Degen shorts. They took that out. They're gonna sweep back down, do a little fakey, and then come right back up.
We should have taken a profit like a minute ago.
That's every trader's that's every single trader that's ever traded is like, oh, I should have taken profit here.
At least
I can't tell you how many times. Yeah, at least a screenshot, dude. Come on, get those screenshots going. Let's see.
Or P&L card.
P&L card right here. I'm not going to show this one though. I promise. We're up 2%, 4%, 6%. Let's go. You could do your live positions right here. Share your position on Twitter. Pretty cool. And then you could flip it and skip. All right, guys. We're just chopping through this. We got to make a decision here, BTC. What are we doing? The King of Kings.
Yeah, Solana wants to go higher.
Yeah, it's doing pretty good, actually.
Yeah, seems BTC just want to go up also. Maybe a little bit V-shaped recovery. Oh, we up 24%.
Let's go. Let's see if we can make a little here in the last 2 minutes.
$10. We up $10. Let's go. We are back.
We're back, baby. You can see the P&L here. Come on, chart. What are we doing? Might be my connection. I hope not. Don't fail me now.
Should you take a profit like?
Yeah, if you want to. But the only thing is that then what you've got about 1 minute and 40 seconds left. You're still down. What are we down? We're still down P&L wise $66. So if you can make that back in a little bit more in this short time frame. Oh,
For that, we need a 10,000 leverage.
If we pump out of this, we're good. Yeah, right.
Ooh,
Well, I mean,
technically,
I was about to say, technically, you lost it in like a minute or so. So we still have time. Minute 14 seconds. Still got plenty of time. At 500x, I'm assuming that might be definitely have plenty of time. Plenty of time to.
Basically, we catch the bottom.
We got 90x right now.
We catch the bottom easily.
You actually caught the bottom on this trade here, so I'm hoping.
Yeah. 218.
Come on. 45 seconds. Come on.
$13. No way. Let's go. 42%.
You're going to be. I'm just letting you know now, this is not a reflection of his trading skills. This is Degen mode. Trust me, Juicy actually does really, really good TA. Makes some great calls on his Telegram channel. Great place to actually follow him. And he does a lot of DeFi content, which is like some of the stuff I didn't even know about. So it's good to deep dive. I'm just a janitor, so I snoop around, clean things up. You know what I mean?
Yeah, just for fun, but it's going good.
Oh, we got 4 seconds to
$15. No way.
Let's go. We're going to let it pump through. We've let the other contestants go a little over, so we're going to let him go a little over here as we're pumping through this, and we're breaking through some late shorts that probably came in. All right, you want to close it out in the win? You want to close it out, or you want to let it ride for a second? It's up to you.
Yeah, let's close it. Yeah, let's take a profit.
Let's see. What are we at now? Now you won't be the biggest loser so far. That's no reflection on your trading skills, but you were the biggest loser so far. Now, if you close it, you won't be. Oh, we're still going.
Yeah, I'm closing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Let's see.
Okay,
P&L. Let's go.
More than a
uh,
50% profit. Let's go.
let's go, dude. All right. Well, that was a good trading sesh. Yeah, it just goes to show you. I mean, sometimes what I call painting the charts. We talked about it in last stream, but liquidity providers, or not liquidity providers. I apologize. I'm retarded. Market makers will
Mhm.
sometimes paint the chart. As you can tell, in immature markets, it can be, you can throw around a little capital and make that chart look however you like. And some market makers love to do that and go capture some liquidity to the upside or downside. This is exactly why we follow the Leviathan charts. So there's TradingView has Leviathan as an indicator, and it does show the it'll show all the 100x's, 50x's, 20x's, all that good stuff, and it'll show you zones, whether to the upside or downside, of where those leverage plays have opened. There's also a thing called spoofing, where they will create that kind of volume also to kind of trick you. So remember, it's as much as a psychology game as it is a money game. So never out of the trade, never out of the markets. So how did you like it there, Juicy?
Yeah, it was fun. It was fun. I think like if you would short first and then we will long, I think it would be an amazing trade. Yeah, but we recovered almost pretty fast. Yeah,
Yeah, and
look at this.
if we would have stayed in that trade too, you could see here we would have almost recovered, the majority of it as well. So, but if you would have done that 500x from the bottom,
Oof.
well, yeah, that would have been intense. We definitely would have came out on top. We do have our P&L card here. You can see it here. We're down 52.41. So the LPs won on this round. Juicy,
Yeah.
just before I sign you off here, I wanted to give you a chance to share where can people find you? What do you do? Oh, and my chat's
Yeah, so
still open.
basically, down below you see follow on X, you see his username, you can follow me, and also join my Telegram because on X I posted more about DeFi on Solana, how to
Mm,
use all these protocols, also how to use the flash rate, and then on Telegram I'm mostly focusing on technical analysis in data and news that can actually move the market. So yeah, follow
yeah,
me on X and Telegram, and you're in a good position
yeah,
to
absolutely.
make some profit. Yeah.
Yeah, and then especially one of the most favorite things is the deep dives on DeFi. That's just like my bread and butter. I love to learn more about like upcoming projects, brand new projects. What are the few of the projects that you've had out recently that you've covered? I know what was it? Huma Finance was one of them, right? And then a few of them that you've covered. Go over them real quick.
Yeah. The projects I have covered and the most interesting projects is Hilo. They have very interesting products, stablecoin products, long Solana without liquidation also, and then right now a backpack. They launched a point system also, and Titan Exchange where you can do swaps, etc. Also, they updated UI, they're growing, and Solana TVL is growing. Yeah, every protocol almost hitting a new all-time high by TVL. So
Let's
if you
go.
want to be in crypto, if you want to make money, be on Solana. And thank you
Yeah.
for inviting me.
Yeah, absolutely, brother. Hey, we really appreciate it. And of course, we'll see you in the markets. Talk to you soon.
Yeah, see.
All right. So, who we have up next? Next, we have one of our very I would call him like a Chad. He's been in Flash Trade for a while. He's definitely helped Flash Trade ecosystem grow, given us a lot of feedback on our platform. We really appreciate him. He is Dynamics on X, so it's Dynamics underscore, and he is the founder of Wise_node on X as well, as you can see down here somewhere. And We're going to take a little intermittent break. Just kidding. We're going to pull him in real quick. And I'm going to get my chart set up. What's going on, brother?
Yo, it was all glitchy just before, but I can hear you good now. As soon as I came up, it was all good.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, I apologize. Is it all good on stream? I gotta. Okay, address. Oh, there we go. Cool. We're good on stream though, I hope. Anybody, if I'm not good on stream and it's a little choppy or glitchy, let me know in the comments real quick for me. I appreciate it. All right, and then I've got your setup going. Do you have everything ready for you? You got it all?
Yeah, I think I'm good to go. Yeah.
Sweet. All right, I'm good to go. I see your $100 doll hairs.
Yep.
Just real quick, kind of give somebody or give our audience a little brief overview of WiseNode. What's that all about?
WiseNode. Yeah, so WiseNode is, I guess, trying to be that companion app for anyone in the crypto space, feed you all the good information you need to know without having to sort of sift through all the shit on social media. So we're sort of cutting through the noise and delivering you the info that matters. We've got guys in there who are doing deep dive research on specific projects. So we give like evaluations and things like that. We create tutorials on, how to use different platforms, educational content around, trading concepts and things like that. We've got a lot of really smart dudes in our community who help us create a lot of cool content.
Yeah, absolutely. The cool part about their community is that it's such a diverse crowd that specialize in different things. It's kind of wild, actually. You've got a little bit of everything in there. Just wanted to shout that out because I enjoy it a lot.
Yeah, I guess we try to cover a lot of different aspects of the crypto space. We all predominantly came from trading, leverage trading mainly, and then sort of expanded from there into the DeFi space, whether it be, creating a lot of liquidity pools and different strategies around that. And then we've got airdrop farmers, we've got Degens, we've got all sorts in there.
Yeah, so to get Dynamics in here trading because it is 2 a.m. where he's at. So we want to get him in. We want to hit that Degen mode hard and make a little bit of money, and we're out. All right, let's go. You start whenever you are ready, and we are ready to rumble.
I've just been sort of waiting for an ideal entry at the moment because the market to me still feels like we're trending down slightly. But we've just pumped up a little bit. So I'm just waiting for an entry to get into a short. I don't know if we're going to get there, though. We're sort of hovering at this level. So I might just have to open up ASAP or maybe even just ladder into a position.
Yeah, there you go. I like that strategy more, actually, to be fair. That's actually how I typically will trade. I try to ladder in, and that way, if it goes against me, I'm not all in already.
Yeah. I was just waiting for this. I was just waiting for a little pump just to get into an entry.
Yeah, 100%. They're gonna flip it. I don't.
Yeah.
I mean,
my wallet.
Oh, you're fine. I don't know if they're gonna let this ride. I highly doubt it. What don't we have the FOMC coming up?
I believe so. I feel like I entered the trade, but then it just disappeared.
Oh no. Are you on the funded wallet?
It says that I used the balance, but I don't see a position opened.
Oh, there we go. Took a second.
Is it?
We've got it open on our screen at least.
I'm not seeing it on my screen.
Do a hard refresh for me, and then get back to the funded wallet. See what happens there. I can see it on my screen though.
Okay. Okay. Yep. There we go. We're in now. Yeah.
Let's go.
All right. Yeah.
All right,
I feel
so
like
what did we go in at? Oh, we went at 125.
125 to start off with. I'm just going to split it up into a couple of smaller positions. I'm just seeing this channel walking down, so I just want to try and get a couple of entries at the top of the channel and then just let it walk down. Market's just a little bit choppy at the moment, so there's no real major trends to try and capture. Just want to try and capture the chop back and forward. Hopefully in this sort of 15-minute bracket, we get a decent swing down, and instead of capturing this little shitty chop, it's going to be a little bit hard to make any money on, but we'll see.
It is. It's very difficult. Even the most seasoned traders will definitely tell you that. I mean, it doesn't matter what leverage you're at. This is a very, very difficult market for sure.
Yeah,
50% retraced with a pump. So let's see. From what the TA that my magic lines that I put on the chart, the bottom for BTC this is literally Leviathan. Sorry. On TradingView, it looks like the bottom could be in between 111.7 and 114. That'll kind of be the chop zone. So we'll see. We'll see if that comes true. And then right now,
we're going to see that move tonight. That's maybe, I don't know.
I don't mean like within the next few minutes.
Yeah,
definitely not.
I'm hoping just to get a run back down to the bottom of this channel, maybe around 217 on Solana. That'd be good. And then if I can capture another run back up within that 15 minutes, then we're laughing. Yeah,
it looks like BTC's rolling over right as we speak. So that is good. It came up, captured those shorts. We're probably going to go back down and capture those late longs. That's what they love doing. They love doing that in the chop zone. And there we go. See? Just saying. I watch the charts a lot. As you can imagine.
I don't mind like having a little bit of a slap on the 500x on these smaller time frames, but I don't really miss it because of these chops, like these tiny little chops.
Savage.
They're just frustrating, everything looks good. You're like, yes, we got a good position, we're going good. Literally 2 seconds later, other way again. We're like, you sort of got to give it some time to play out, but we'll see.
Of course.
Pretty good.
Yeah. Oh, dude, you have the perfect setup. Get out of here. You're up 20% already. This is that little chop zone I was saying that they're going to go down, try to capture. They always do this like weird 50% move where from the top to the bottom on a macro time frame, like a larger time frame, they'll do this like 50% move and then sweep it right back up on you real quick. And then they'll chop, go up, capture whichever side has the more liquidity. They'll capture the upside or downside, and then they'll do it again. And that's just like rinse and repeat. So right now, my guess, if I'm just guessing directionally, like you said, shorting was the right call for sure.
Yeah. Overall trend is down on the higher time frame. So we're getting that chop up and down, but in a direction slowly down. So just trying to stick with the trend and hopefully we get
trend is your friend.
It is until it's not.
It's very true. On 500x, I don't, it's pretty hard to trend it out. This is why I always follow the 1 minute time frame. Here, I'm gonna put on some music here, vibes going. I'm gonna DJ it out. All right. So right now we're up 25%. And then we still have markets like BTC. BTC's trending down. ETH is also trending down. Maybe looking for the larger move down here as well.
Definitely trying to capture a little bit more down here.
Yeah, like I said, the liquidity zone for the larger portions is down to 111 on BTC. That doesn't mean they're going to capture it now. It just means that if market makers choose, if the market chooses, they will sweep down and capture that amount and then potentially, and that always acts as like rocket fuel. So 111's where the liquidity's at, but remember it can overshoot that because of all the liquidations. So
I'm going to refuel this short in a second.
Sounds good. Very smart move, sir.
Just waiting for this last little pump up.
Skip it.
It looks pretty weak, but I'll be adding to this position into another short.
And it does look like as well, like you said, it's super weak. Not a very volatile bounce. And there we go. We're turning.
Yeah. Give it a second. I'll let it sort of peak and then I'll try and ladder in again. I still think the overall move is going to be down, but it's going to have a couple of goes at going up.
Well, the funny thing is ETH and BTC are both, if you look at both these time frames here, I'm looking at them now. ETH just absolutely collapsed. Bitcoin collapsed. Sol still pumping. Oh no, it dropped. Oh, okay. What are we doing?
Oh,
Look at
it did add
this.
to the position. My bad.
Oh, you're good.
I wasn't. It was a little bit of a delay when I went to add into the position. I don't even know if it worked or not.
Yeah, it did.
It did it? Okay. Yeah. I wasn't sure if it added.
$60 in total. We are now. Oh, we're breaking down. There you go. Yeah, Sol seemed it's actually holding up better than the rest of them. So that's one thing to keep in mind when trading. Sometimes because dominance on BTC is dropping, Sol will actually hold up better. ETH is tanking. Sheesh. I should say tanking on the 1 minute. That's kind of like relative.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah.
Giving commentary on the 1 minute, you're just going to flop back and forward, back and forward, back and forward.
Yeah. Giving commentary on the 1 second would be even more fun, to be honest. Oh, dude, they totally did that. What'd you say?
I had mates that I used to trade with, like doing these smaller time frames, and they'd be so zoomed in on the smaller time frames, they'd see a big red candle there. Oh, the market's dumping. I'm like, mate, it moved 0.5%. You're on the 1 minute. You're zoomed in. Like, chill out.
They do that on Spaces. It's so funny. If you ever like to attend Spaces, I do personally. I trading Spaces, of course. So I'll attend Marty Party and Mason's DAO a lot. And their Spaces are hilarious because they watch these like super small time frames and they freak out. And I'm like, "What time frame are you on?" They're like, "Oh, the 1 second or the 5 second." And I'm like, "What are you? It's not tanking at all. Look at the daily." It's funny.
I'm going to close this now. Oh, man, there's a little bit of a delay there. Well, we'll see. I don't know when it.
No, you got it. You're up 100. So our P&L right now we're up $8.94. You are the first, sir. You are the first Trade Wars contestant that is positive. And we've got about 6. Yeah, got about 6 minutes to go.
It's too slow.
And it swept right back down.
Yeah, I tried to open up another position on the pump up, and it's just too slow to react. I don't really want to chase it right now. I might just leave it.
Good.
It's a little bit overextended, so I might try and catch a run back up if we can.
Yeah, we got 6 minutes left. So
sit on my hands for a second.
Yeah,
and yeah, see if we can catch a run up for the last trade. Might be an entry here. I thought it might have gone a little bit lower.
It's doing that thing that I hate. Right here is that decision zone where it just ping pongs, ping pong, ping pong, and it's so hard to tell direction.
There was an error. I tried to open it, said there was an error. I'll try again. A little bit late. Right. So one thing I hate about the on-chain trading is just it's not as quick to execute as I would really like it to be, especially if you're doing this low time frame stuff. I don't even know how that works.
Did you have turbo mode turned on? Let's see.
I believe I do.
Okay.
I'll double check. Yeah, it says turbo mode's enabled.
Okay.
It says the money's come out of my account, but
it did. Yeah.
There.
Let's see.
I'll just refresh again.
There we go.
Oh, there we go. Position's there. There we go. It's on. Not quite the entry I was after, though.
We wanted it a little bit down here. What did we do? Did you just do 250x? All right.
Yeah. I'm only doing small position sizes, so I wanted to have enough to sort of have a little play.
Yeah, of course.
On these 1 minutes, I prefer to do 500x, to be honest, but I didn't want to just smash your account.
No, that's what it's here for. Smash it, dude. Degen mode. Let's go. 500x. One of the contestants, like right at the end, I can't remember who it was. I think it was either Kev or I can't remember his name at the moment. But yeah, right at the end, we did 500x trying to make back. He actually made back a little, so.
That's traders.
It's fair.
Worst sort of nightmare is trying to make back losses. Never do that.
Oh yeah, never do that. Don't chase losses. Get yourself into some deep trouble there.
I might get a better entry here. It's coming back a bit, so I might be able to get a better entry for this long.
What are you thinking? You thinking they just kind of 50% retrace, go up? It kind of looks like, I mean, on the short time frame.
I'm hoping to get a slightly better entry here, although my liquidation level is pretty close.
Yeah.
And there we go. Try and ladder into this position now. I've just got to account for a delay, so I've got to try and enter before I actually want to enter, because there's that little bit of a delay.
There we go. Liquidation push below.
Okay.
Oh, don't do it.
Ooh, still getting a little bit too close for my liking.
Yeah, me too.
I didn't
40%
move
down. It never does with Degen mode. We're still at, okay, so we're at about 300x with 35% down. We're still looking pretty decent. I mean, it's not too bad on a short time frame. I mean, we're trying to trade that chop, so it's still not the end of the world. We hold it, wait for hopefully.
I just missed that first entry. The first entry would have been a lot better, and then we should be okay just to ride this chop back up. If we can get an exit around 1936 or something like that, would be pretty good to close it off.
We can use the phone a friend option as well. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah. I might give CZ a call, see if he can chuck a dirty long on Solana. He doesn't like long on Solana though.
Yeah, I bet. Always seems like he drags down Solana's price every time Solana flips BNB. It's super weird. It's just
he's always got something up his sleeve to knock it back. Come on, run back up. I think we're good.
I think so too.
Showing some strength on the 1 minutes. For a slight recovery. There's some bullish candles there on the 1 minute.
For what that's worth. Let's see. It does it does look like on the 1 minute BTC's actually bottomed here. I
think I'm just trying to project, really. I'm just projecting my bias.
Yeah, absolutely. You got to project your bias. That's the only thing that keeps you going during a trade.
Yeah.
Project your bias. All right, up, guys. Come on. Somebody just throw in 100 mil right now. 100 milli. Let's go.
That'd be good.
Where's CZ? Where's Wintermute? Come on, man.
There's divergence on the 1 minutes. We're definitely going up. See, that's confidence, right?
Confidence.
I might even increase my position again, because I'm assuming we've only got a couple minutes left, right?
Yeah, we've got 1 minute left. 1 minute left. Oh, let's go.
All right,
Degen mode. Come on.
Increase position.
Go.
We're confident on this. We're gonna run with it. Oh, it's delaying again.
No, we got it.
I think I might have missed it. I was trying to lower the entry back down. It's taken too long.
All right, let's go. All right, what are we up? Let's see. We've got a P&L. Yeah, we got everything set. Come on. All right, candle down.
Entry.
Let's go.
And then we're just gonna degen it.
Come on. What are we doing? Going up? Are we going down?
Getting ready to enter again. I just want to see this candle close.
That's a falling wedge. That's what I'm calling it. I'm calling a falling wedge. All right. I'm going to draw lines on the chart.
Because that helps. Yeah.
Yeah, it helps a lot. Look at this wedge. All right. Falling wedge. This is the perfect falling wedge. Right there.
Actually, I've got an idea. I should open the position, but not press confirm until I see it switch. And then maybe that's the strategy. Because I find the time you click, increase size, and then by the time you press go, it's kind of too late.
Yep.
Ooh.
Don't break down. Don't you do it.
I was really hoping that candle was going to flip green.
Oh, no.
Nah.
And the timer's up.
Abort.
Abort. And we're breaking down. What do we got here? What's going on with BTC? Okay. So Biddy's breaking down. That was why. ETH's breaking down. And then Sol always lags a little bit though. It's actually good. It's good to or at least I find it good. I'll actually watch BTC the most, and I watch gold. I don't know if you watch gold as well, but if I see that like gold and oil are pumping quite a bit, I'm like, oof, we're probably gonna drop. So that's if I'm like up on the day on gold, up on the day on oil, I'm like, gotta watch the markets for a drop. let's see. And then lastly, let's go over the P&L. We're only down $9.
I just quickly chucked the long on.
Did you really?
Yeah. I was like, oh shit, we're good. We're going back up.
You were right. There was divergence. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, there was, but it was just slow to react. But oh man. All right.
Let's see.
I'll
dude, you actually caught it.
Yeah.
Hold on. We got to make back the $8. Hold on.
Well, we've made it.
Go. Let's go. Dude. I wanted you to be the first one to actually. All right, we're positive.
Okay.
Let's go. Get out of here. Let's refresh and make sure we're positive on this trade. Oh, we're down $7. You still are like
what?
Buy a. Let's see, down $7.
Where did I close that in like 17% profit or $17 profit? Unless it was fees.
It was fees. So you got a $7 fee. We have the $9.40 or 81 cents. Sorry, 81 cents.
Where it says your percentage, is that not including closing? So it's not taking into consideration closing the trade, right?
Yeah. So you can actually go to P&L settings. It's good for everybody to know. You can click on display P&L with fees. So that way, yeah, I probably should have said that. That was my bad. The janitor can't remember everything. But yes, the cool thing is that you can any trade, anything, as long as you have that on, and you have turbo mode on. Turbo mode's the kind of key here if you're on Degen mode. Turbo mode's right here, and I always like to delete 1 0. So we just delete 1, and then turbo mode is good to go while you're on Degen mode.
Can you just go to history for a second? I'm just trying to make sense of this because I feel like I made a mistake somewhere. See how only one of those trades has Degen? What does that mean? How come the others don't?
Those are just closing trades. We haven't tagged those. So when you're opening the trade, it just indicates that you were on Degen mode. So then other trades,
shouldn't they?
Well, the closing trades just aren't tagged. So these are closed. This is a closed position, and then open position. And then if you go through here, you've got increase. Those are still tagged with Degen. Even shorts, increase, open. Those are tagged with Degen as well. Right. But yeah, the closing trades, we have it. We didn't tag them. I mean, I suppose what do you think? We should tag those two with Degen?
No, that doesn't matter. I was just trying to make sense of it. That's all good. Yeah, I was just surprised because, both of I would have thought it should have finished in the green, but it might have just been the fees that I wasn't taking in consideration from. Damn, if I had held it, like back up to 219.36.
All right, here, I'm going to say thanks. I'm going to put it on Twitter right now. Thanks for playing, thanks for trading, Trade Wars. I'm going to put out the tweet right meow on my account with your P&L.
If this reverses at 219.36, I'm going to be upset.
All right, I'm tagging you in the tweet. There's your best P&L for Trade Wars. And what's even best is that you are number 1, sir. For here, you are number 1 on the Trade Wars.
Jesus, that's not good. Oh my god, it just reversed. Where did it reverse? Let's pinpoint that dollar. 29.34. I was 2 cents off on that reversal. God damn it.
You would have killed it. It would have been well above for sure. The timer ran out too, so that played against you. It's really this is hard because obviously on a longer time frame, you could play it a lot different. But for the audience and for everybody who's watching, 1,035 of you. Holy moly, I didn't even realize there were so many people in here. So we really appreciate you participating. I'm going to drop this chart or drop this share. We really appreciate you participating in the live, of course. Dynamics, what do you have to say to 1,038 people who are watching you live?
Shit. Thanks for jumping on, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Bit of entertainment, and make sure you use Flash Trade. It's probably the best on-chain trading platform we have on Solana, in my opinion. Got that 500x. Nothing better than a couple of 500x. $10 slaps. They're fun.
Yeah, I was about to say.
drink, have a laugh. It's just as good as going to the casino, I reckon.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, we appreciate it, man. I really do. And of course, we'll see you in the markets like always.
For sure.
All right, guys. Hey, I really, really appreciate everybody who tuned in. I can't tell you how much that means to me, the janitor here at Flash Trade. Obviously, if you can, like, comment, and repost this onto your feed so that we can reach as many people as possible. And the other thing is, don't forget with Degen mode, we do have Turbo out now. So Turbo mode is live on Flash.trade, and you can get in and out of those trades seamlessly. One thing that we always love is if you do join the community, go to our Discord. You can get into the normal chat. If you are a FAF holder, you can get into the FAF token, exclusive chat. And then we also have our Chad Beast that's locked off for the early comers. So the OGs are in there. But yeah, absolutely. Follow us on X, get into our Discord, use the platform, give us your feedback. We have a great feedback channel. We always love to hear from our users. And of course, we will be live not next week. I'm going on a little vacay, so the janitor will be out of the office. And but the following week, we will make sure that we make it fun, entertaining, of course, as always, for Trade Wars. But as always, traders, I'll see you in the markets.
Nate Goyard.